Today you're going to spend some time identifying and using conjunctions. If you don't already have out in front of you your lavender answer page, please go ahead, pause the video, get this page out, and when you're ready, press play. All right, you ready to identify and use some conjunctions? Remember, conjunctions help us combine thoughts, sentences, or concepts. They combine it to create one complete sentence. Number 1, identify the conjunction in this sentence. I brought an umbrella because I saw a lot of clouds. You could say, I brought an umbrella, period. I saw a lot of clouds, period. Or you can combine those two sentences with the conjunction because. Write the word because in the number 1 square on your answer page. Number 2, cheeseburgers and fries are my favorite foods. You could say cheeseburgers are my favorite foods, fries are my favorite foods, or you can combine those two concepts or those two items, cheeseburgers, fries, with the conjunction and. Write the word and in your number 2 answer space. Number 3, identify the conjunction in this sentence. I don't really like vegetables, but I love fruits. You could have two sentences. I don't really like vegetables, period. I love fruits, period. Or you can combine those two sentences with the conjunction but. Write the word but in the number 3 answer space. All right, this is the last one we're going to do together. Identify the conjunction in this sentence. Addie has a spelling test tomorrow, so she is practicing her words. I have the sentence, Addie has a spelling test tomorrow. I have the sentence, she is practicing her words. The word so is the conjunction that combines those two sentences. Write the word so in the number 4 answer space. You'll continue doing this same thing for the rest of the cards. Number 5, you can eat cake with a fork or a spoon. Number 6, I am allergic to dogs, yet we have 2 of them. Number 7, I know how to write cursive. However, I prefer to write in print. Number 8, I can't sing, nor can I dance. Remember, if at any point I am moving too fast, you can pause the video and press play when you are ready. Number 9, I can play outside if I get my chores finished. Number 10, we are going to the grocery store and the mall. 11, the movie was long and boring. Number 12, he can buy the book or he can borrow it from the library. Number 13, you are now going to choose which conjunction makes the most sense. I don't like cats. I love dogs. Which word makes more sense? I don't like cats. Also, I love dogs. I don't like cats if I love dogs. Or I don't like cats, but I love dogs. Right, the word but. You can either write the word but on your answer page, or you can simply write the correct letter, C. Number 14, which conjunction makes sense? I was cold, so I put on my sweater. I was cold, then I put on my sweater. I was cold because I put on my sweater. Which one makes the most sense? This is more like a cause and effect. I was cold, cause, effect, so I put on my sweater. You can write the word so in the number 14 answer space, or you can write the letter A. Number 15. Which conjunction makes sense? Her favorite colors are pink nor blue. Her favorite colors are pink and blue. Her favorite colors are pink, however, blue. Great job, exactly. And number 16, which conjunction makes sense? You can have a cookie if a piece of cake. You can have a cookie because a piece of cake, or you can have a cookie or a piece of cake. That's right. I think you've got this. I can have a cookie or a piece of cake. She wore a sweater. It was cold outside. Which conjunction makes sense? Yet, nor, or for. Number 18. I stayed home from school, so I have a fever. I stayed home from school, then I have a fever. Or I stayed home from school because I have a fever. Number 19. I have math and science homework. I have math if science homework. I have math, however, science homework. Number 20. Preheat the oven and then mix the batter. Preheat the oven and nor mix the batter. Preheat the oven and yet mix the batter. Number 21. Peter likes to read fiction and he because likes poetry. Peter likes to read fiction and he also likes poetry. Or Peter likes to read fiction and for likes poetry. 22. The bus was late because of a traffic jam. The bus was late, however, of a traffic jam. The bus was late and of a traffic jam. 23. Nobody knows the answer for me. Nobody knows the answer also me. Or nobody knows the answer but me. And then finally, 24. We can walk or we can ride our bikes. We can walk if we can ride our bikes, or we can walk yet we can ride our bikes. Once you have completed your answer page, remember to upload your answer page to Class Dojo. Great job, guys.